Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change email address on Credit Karma. The process is very easy to do. Just follow this step-by-step guide and you will be able to change your email address on Credit Karma. So first thing you need to do is open up the Credit Karma website or the app and then log in your account. Once you are logged in, simply locate the profile icon or the menu. This is often in the top right corner on the website or in the settings menu of the app. After this, select the settings or profile option, and in the contact information section find your current email address and click edit button. Enter your new email address and save the changes. So Credit Karma will send a verification email to your new email address. So open that email and follow the link to confirm your new address. So they will send a link, so simply click on that and you will be able to link your email address to the Credit Karma. So that is how you can change your email address in Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.